Yeah.
Yeah, Mr. Bidyarthi,
Yes, sir.
good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How you are feeling by participating in this event?
I'm very much comfortable here, and even I'm more comfortable in my office. As you said that within 72 hours you respond, it is really correct. And hardly means for my last 30 years of experience with Reva, I don't have any issue till date. Even I do not know any problem comes in the crane or not, including 25 ton means basically up to the 25 ton I have used. 25 ton means 1 ton to 25 ton.
Yeah.
So there is no issue. Over and above, I found that you are very much customer oriented, and basically you are focused on your customer and not for the profit and all. So even see, we ordered 2025 numbers of UT crane, and there we missed out one crane. And then later on we told that no, we need another one. Then you came that then sir, now it is 1.5 year old, so new price is applicable. So when we explained that see, we have a problem because your crane is now approved, and if we are going for the new one, means new price, new supply, then again we have to compare for the three vendors, and again we do not know if someone go for the L1, and then in my company it will be very difficult. So you understand our problem, and as Arvind said that problem is mine, and you give us the problem, and solution is will be given. Really, when we shared that our problem is this, then you have come forward and you told that okay sir, we will accommodate, and only you do the delivery amendment, and the same was done. So thanks for Reva, and
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
thanks
sir.
for
Thank you, sir.
Goel
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
He has
Thank you,
means
sir.
cultured, nurtured his
Thanks,
means
sir.
basically all team like that. That okay, for few thousand, few lakhs, we should not go for the means
Thanks, sir. It's my pleasure, sir.
claims.
It's my pleasure.
Oh, thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
thank you.